Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I will share with you how to groom your eyebrows at home. So let's get started. Okay, by the way, this is the first part. First take any talcum powder and apply on your eyebrows. Now take thread, any thread you have. I have this thread, Organica cotton thread. I used this thread since 2-3 years ago. Okay, let's cut it a small piece like so. Okay, now make a knot at the end of the thread like I am doing. See in the video. So be careful of that thread. Okay, it will cut your hand also. Make surely 3 or 2 knots. Okay. Okay, now that thread is ready for grooming. Okay, take a side of thread. Okay, now comb your eyebrows. If there are no tools available at you, okay, no problem, leave it. If there are no tools available in your, okay, leave this step. Okay, you have a mascara old brush. Okay, that also useful to brows combing. You don't have mascara brush or eyebrow combing brush, you have use old toothbrush also for this combing. Okay, let's take a scissor. Okay, cut out your brows, extra hair of your eyebrows. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, now we will meet in second part of eyebrow grooming. Bye guys.